The question that breaks reality. What is beyond the universe? Not galaxies, not stars, not black holes, but beyond everything, beyond space itself. Take a moment and really think about it. The universe contains everything we know, every atom, every planet, every thought you have ever had. So what could possibly exist outside of it? Or maybe nothing exists at all, and that idea is far more terrifying than you think. Chapter 1. The size of everything. The universe is unimaginably vast. To understand it, we need to zoom out. Earth is just a small planet, orbiting a single star, the Sun. The Sun is one star among hundreds of billions in our galaxy, the Milky Way, but even our galaxy is nothing special. There are billions of galaxies in the observable universe, each one containing billions of stars, each star possibly surrounded by planets. Now imagine zooming out even further, clusters of galaxies, superclusters, cosmic filaments stretching across space. The universe looks like a giant web, endless. But here's the truth. We cannot see all of it. Chapter 2. The observable universe. What we see is limited, not because the universe ends, but because light has a speed limit. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second. It sounds fast, but space is so big, even light takes billions of years to travel. That means when we look into space, we are looking into the past. Some galaxies we see today existed billions of years ago, so the observable universe is not the whole universe. It is just the part we can see, a bubble of visibility. Beyond that bubble, there may be more, much more. Chapter 3. The edge that isn't an edge. Here's where things get strange. The observable universe has a limit, but that doesn't mean there is a physical edge. You won't find a wall or a boundary. If you traveled far enough, you wouldn't hit anything, because space itself is expanding. The universe is not expanding into something. Space itself is stretching. Every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy, like dots on a balloon as it inflates. But what is the balloon expanding into? That's the real question. Chapter 4. Theory 1. An infinite universe. One possibility is that the universe has no end, no boundary, no outside. It simply goes on forever, in every direction. If that's true, then beyond what we can see, there are more galaxies, more stars, more planets, possibly infinite. And if the universe is infinite, then everything that can happen will happen somewhere. There could be another Earth, another version of you, living the same life or a completely different one. It sounds impossible, but mathematically, it might be real. Chapter 5. Theory 2. The Multiverse. Now we go even deeper. What if our universe is not the only one? What if there are many universes? A multiverse. Each universe could have different laws of physics, different constants, different realities. In one universe, gravity might be stronger. In another, time might behave differently. Some universes might not even support life, and some might be almost identical to ours. The multiverse is not just science fiction. It comes from real physics theories, but we have no direct evidence. Yet. Chapter 6. Theory 3. Absolute nothingness. Now we face the most disturbing idea. What if there is nothing beyond the universe? Not empty space, not darkness, because those are still something, but true nothingness. No space, no time, no energy, no laws. A complete absence of existence. This is extremely difficult to imagine, because our brains are not built to understand nothing. Everything we know exists within something. But beyond the universe, there might be no where, no when, just nothing. Chapter 7. Can we ever reach it? Could we ever find out? Could we travel to the edge? The answer is probably no. The universe is expanding faster than we can travel. Even light cannot catch up to the expansion in some regions. That means parts of the universe are already unreachable, forever. Even if we build the most advanced technology, we may never reach the edge, because it keeps moving away. Chapter 8. Time and reality break down beyond the universe. Time itself may not exist. Time is linked to space. Without space, there is no time, no past, no future, no present. Everything we understand breaks down. This is where physics stops and mystery begins. Chapter 9. The limits of human thinking. Our brains evolved to survive on Earth, not to understand the universe. Concepts like infinity, nothingness, multiple realities, they are too big, too abstract. We try to imagine them, but we always fail. And yet, we keep asking, because curiosity is part of who we are.